This video explains some of the special requirements of EHS 615 and should help you decide whether you're ready to take the course or not, or whether you should delay taking the course for another year. EHS 615 at UAB can only be taught once a year, so it's taught in the spring semester only. Until we have larger numbers of science students, we'll not be able to offer it more than once a year. One of the requirements of EHS 615 is previous science methods training. For fifth-year students, you must have already taken EHS 567 before you take the course. For traditional master's students, we expect that you've had a science methods course in your previous work. Contact the course instructor if you haven't ever had a science methods course. Another special requirement of EHS 615 is you have to be in a teaching situation, because the course requires that you implement some of the methods in a classroom with students where you're teaching, so that you can show that you're developing the ability to actually implement the methods taught in the course. For fifth-year students, you can either be teaching full-time, or you could do EHS 615 during your student teaching semester. Either of those will work. For traditional master students who are full-time, you'll just use your students for implementing the course methods. For fifth-year students, it's best to think of the course as a capstone course, and it's best for you to delay taking the course until your last semester in the program, or your last spring in the program, when you're actually taking student teaching, so that you've got a placement with students and you're taking the course at the same time. For traditional master students, you can take the course anytime after you've been admitted into the program, and if you're a full-time teacher, you can use that placement use your actual students for practicing the methods. If you're a traditional master student and you aren't teaching full-time, you'll need to contact the course instructor as early as possible, because you'll have to take EHS 692. Fifth-year students who aren't in student teaching or full-time teaching also have to enroll in EHS 692. That's an additional practicum, and your course instructor will work with getting you into another teacher's classroom where you can practice these methods as a guest teacher. EHS 615 focuses on teaching you some complex, research-based, high-level, productive science methods. It is not designed to be a course where you just learn some things on paper and try them out maybe one day. It's really designed to help you implement research-based, complex, productive methods. And because of that, that's where the actual teaching requirement, where you can have access to students, is part of the course. I think you'll find that you'll learn a lot in EHS 615, but hopefully this video helps you make a decision about when you actually take it in your program.